Hello and welcome to a new video. So let's say you have a few different files and you want to run them all together. For example, in my case, I have three files, one set to 1 volt, second one set to 2 volt, third one set to 3 volt. Now all of them could be a different circuit, different configuration and a different study, and I might not have access to the system for a while, so I would love to do a batch processing. So basically, after solving one file, it will jump to the other file and then the other file, and it will solve all at once without manually clicking compute for each of the model. So how can we easily set up COMSOL batch process? So to do that, first of all, you need to create the file according to your setting so that you can easily compute, and then I will show you how you can run all the files all together. So here I have my file, this is my model. So if I open the physics, you will see that in the terminal I have set it to 1 volt, that is one side is set it to 1 volt. Similarly, I have three different configuration for 2 volt and 3 volt, and the other side is grounded, and I want to compute all the model. As you can see, I haven't created the mesh or any dataset. So now I will jump back to my folder and see how we can run the COMSOL batch. So here as you can see, I have three different files, 1 volt, 2 volt and 3 volt. Now if I go on to details, you will see that the size is 154 KB, it's very small, and this is the command that I have created. So if I right click and click on edit, so this is the code. So COMSOL batch, input file, the file name, output file, and I have named _sol for the solution, and then the study 1, that is the study you are doing. So for here it is std1, that is why I have written study 1. Similarly, I've copied the lines 3 times to solve 3 files. Now if I double click the execute option, you will see that it will start solving, and since this is a very simple model for demonstration, it will be completed in less than a minute. So maybe I will skip that part. So as you can see that the model are being solved, and note that the software need not be open. You can close the software, it will automatically solve in the background. So as you can see, the file are being created. If I move this to the side, you can see that the size of the solution, the 1 volt solution, is around 1 MB. That means it has the solution in it, and this is solved. So in a single click of a button, I have all the solutions for all these 3 models. Similarly, you can set 10, 15, 20 different models and keep your solution. So now I will try to open this file and see if the solution are being done. Here I am back in the software, so I will go on to open, and then I will open, let's say, the solution for 3 volt. So if I click on mesh, you see that I have my mesh ready, and then in the result you can see that I have the dataset also. So let me just click and make a 2D plot group, and in the 2D plot group I will just add a surface. I'll just click on plot, and you can see that I have my solution, that is from 3 volt to the ground. So this is how you can create COMSOL batch simulation. I will add a blog if you are unable to follow with the detailed settings, so that you can set up your COMSOL batch to run your simulation. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates related to similar videos on research and engineering. Have a good day.